Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Hyundai Santa Fe service light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the controls on your steering wheel that manage the instrument cluster display. Use these buttons to navigate through the menus until you locate the service interval option. This is your starting point for the reset process. Once you've found the service interval menu, press the OK or Enter button to select it. Within this section, you'll typically see options such as Reset, Adjust Interval, or Maintenance. Choose the one that best fits resetting your service reminder. Make sure to confirm your selection to move forward with the process. This step is crucial. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. On another note, I have a quick recommendation for you. If you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link for it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now you should be prompted to confirm the reset. Select Reset or Yes to finalize the action. Your instrument cluster display will then show a confirmation message, often saying something like Reset Complete. After seeing this, turn off your ignition completely. Finally, restart your engine to ensure the service light has successfully turned off. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.